Rice na lang kakainin natin. We don't have food. We don't have liquor. Oh, rice. Eat rice.
Tell everybody what you're making over there.
Rice. Because we don't have food. We don't have anything. You're pobre. Marcos pobre.
Hey, it's not my fault. There's a lockdown at the liquor ban.
Oh. If liquor ban don't have food so. That's not a good idea.
Why do you feel the need to massage the rice? Is there really a need to massage
Because
the rice?
if you not do massage, you not clean the rice.
So the massaging the rice is the cleaning process.
Yes.
Folks, yesterday, I guess it was yesterday, I posted that video about this snap liquor ban, which is also actually a lockdown. So until April 5th, what is it? Let me make sure I get the information right. Only 18 to 60-year-olds are allowed out of the house for, like to go get some food, whatever. So if you're under 18, stay inside. If you're over 60, stay inside. Lockdown, mother. Liquor ban. If you travel into Pampanga, you're supposed to have a negative hoopity test. Just absolute madness, like I said before. But I don't want to talk about that. What I want to talk about is my emergency preparations. My stocks that I had on hand before this heinousness came about on me. And I was browsing y'all's comments. It's so funny. You guys make me laugh when I browse the comments. It just like makes me bust a gut. Talking about my refrigerator over here. Now, folks, when you're in the entertainment business, you don't know what people or how people are going to react to videos, right? Or what they talk about, or what the main focus is going to be on the video, right? You're trying to portray one message, and then people will just talk about something in the background. That's what makes this stuff interesting and funny. So apparently a few of you were telling me that I need to change the doors on this ref, because the door, let me give you a demonstration. The door opens up this direction, and it should open up against the wall. And I'm in agreement on that. Somebody said just get a screwdriver. Well, I came in here and I looked. I was like, yeah, that's a good idea. I need to change them doors, but I don't think it can be done. I was looking at it and I can't figure the shit out. So I had a couple options to solve the problem. I could take the refrigerator and like put it over there, and then it would open up towards the wall. You know what I mean? Flip it around. But that's the spot where the ref's got to go. So I don't know if I can fix that problem at all. But I said, you know what? My refrigerator was so interesting. I'm going to give you guys a detailed tour of what I have in the ref, what I had on hand when this lockdown got imposed upon me. Now, I'm not saying I can't go out and buy food. Obviously, you go out and buy food. But I just figured it'd be entertaining to show you the secrets inside my refrigerator here in the Philippines. Here we go. Let's shoot this handheld. Might be a little shaky, but see, this is what people are talking about, The ref opens up the wrong way. Because when it opens up, you got to come over here against the wall. This ref should open up this way. But it don't. Oh shit, I'm not on autofocus. Alright, now it should be focused. So I came up here and I looked at this thing, and it's got some screws right there, and it looks, well shit, there's 3 little things right there. Maybe I can move this thing over. Maybe where there's a will, there's a way. And you know what, actually now I'm thinking maybe I can. It's got a hole right here. Alright, so maybe I can solve this problem. Alright, so let's come in here and start with the top shelf. Alright, I got it. Looks about maybe a half bottle of Tandaway. This is all the liquor I have in the house right here. Till April 5th, when the geniuses that be hopefully will lift this heinousness. It's a Tandaway I don't really like tandoori, but if it comes down to it, I may have to slurp on that. Moving right along, looks like 3 total pieces of bread. 2 heels and 1 piece in the middle. That's what we're working with there. Oh my goodness, that thing's empty. Looks like about a half empty bottle of peanut butter. Let me see if I can get into this thing. Let me see exactly how much peanut butter we got on stock. Oh shit. You can see through the other side. Look, you can see, you can hold it up to the light like I'm candling an egg. That's not good on the peanut butter stores. Man, that's the problem with peanut butter. You know, unless you like scrape the side of the jar, it's deceiving. You know, it's sitting over there in the back, and I'm like looking in here, I'm like, oh shit, I got a full thing of peanut butter. In actuality, there ain't nothing in that jar. My God, they need to fix that problem somehow. Alright, so I'll come down here to the big shelf, and we got some greens here. What is that? Like for a Caesar salad. It's looking pretty healthy. So I got enough for a Caesar salad. About a 3/4 thing of Royal. Oh yeah, full thing of milk. That's good news right there. And we'll come on down here. The ladies aren't too good at organizing. And this is a bingo something chocolate, and it looks like it got a total of 2 cookies. Now I'm not real sure why they store the open bingo cookies on top of my red chili peppers. Oh yeah, look at that. So I'm good on the stock of peppers. I'm real good on the stock of garlic over here. And we got a bottle of Mamacita's barbecue marinade. I'm not sure why we needed to lay that thing down. I really got to discuss with the ladies their shelving plan here. I got to give them a block of instruction on that. Now come on down here to the vegetable drawer. Looks like I got some snap beans, a big old cucumber. That's in good shape. I got a total of 5 tomatoes and a big old bag of calamansis. All right. So we're working with a meal there. All right, come over here to the door. I won't bore you with the whole thing, but check this out. I got a bottle of Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Folks, I saw that in the shop the other day, and I just had to go with it. Okay, I got a little thing, about a 1/4 thing of Thousand Island. That'll go good with that lettuce. 2 hot sauces. Get some mustard, a little ketchup, and looks like a petrified piece of of cream cheese. I'm not sure why this thing's in here. Man, that thing needs to come out of there. I'll just set it right here for now like the ladies do. And oh my gosh, we got pancake syrup. So the fact that I don't got no jelly just got better because I can take pancake syrup, mix it with that. All right, coming up here, the ladies have got some coffee caramel ice cream, which is about half full. And then we got a pack of this nasty ass bacon they bought over at the Divvy Mart. That shit is horrible. Even when you touch the package, it has a chemical taste and smell to it, and then you touch the package, that's some evil ass meat-like substance. And it got 2 things of ice. Folks, life is good. Now, let me come on over here, check out my dry goods. Now, obviously the ladies got a stash of rice. They always do. But over here, I'm working with a can of tuna, 2 cans of mushrooms. I don't even know why they bought that, because I don't use those types of mushrooms usually, and I don't think they do either. I don't know where the hell that come from, but we'll eat them. We got 2 cans of sardines, a can of baked beans, and 2 of those 7-Eleven things of noodles, and Lord knows what the hell this is right here. But that looks so nasty. That's leaving. That could be unauthorized bagaong that I just located. But look at that. That is some kind of nastiness, whatever that is. That's out of here. And do I have a thing of beer? What the hell's in this? Oh, it's a coin bank. Ha! So they're putting their coins in my beer can.
Hi, that's mine.
All right, come over here. I got some chips, a thing of cornbread mix, and some flour. All right, so that's pretty much our stock. All right, folks, now we're going to check the critical levels of the rice. Go ahead and open it up, Janice, see what will work. Oh, that's plenty of rice, baby. How long do you think this rice will last?
Tomorrow.
Only one day?
No, just
I think that'll take
3
us.
days.
I think that'll take us to April 5th through the lockdown, baby.
See? Grabe ka naman. Don't cook. That's why you have until 5. To be a nervous. Oh, here. You drink coffee every day.
Okay, let me ask you this, baby. Do you think that we have enough food to make it until April 5th?
No.
No?
No.
So we're gonna have to go to the market?
But you said ladies don't have a budget. Makita? Ikaw may sabi nun, hindi daw have a budget.
Maybe I'm the richest man in the Philippines.
Wow! Richest ka, hindi ka rich. You're not a rich. If you are a rich, why the rep no have food? Tell to your aunt.
Tell everybody what are you gonna cook today?
Sardines.
And how are you gonna prepare the sardines, baby?
I cook in there.
How are you gonna cook them sardines?
I put in your lunch.
No, you can't you can't cook sardines in the Lodge 3.2 quart.
I know that. I know that already.
Honey, it's
for
written-
5 months.
It's written on the side of the box on the warning label. Warning, do not cook sardines in this cast iron skillet.
Wow, for the first time I hear that. For the first time in forever, I want to go. I'm going home. I'm going home.
She's coming home, Tita.
Without you. Because you don't have food. You go inside now and cook sardines. I'm so hungry.
You have to cook the sardines outside.
No.
They're gonna make the whole condo stink.
Yesterday I already cooked 1 sardines. Then you smell? No.
I knew something was fishy.
All
Alright, so we just decided what I'm cooking for dinner, folks. I'm making tuna spaghetti. Those cans of mushrooms, I got 2 cans of tuna, 2 cans of mushrooms. I got 2 packs of spaghetti sauce, some noodles. I am making some delicious tuna spaghetti tonight. These ladies are gonna love it. It's gonna be magnifique.